This 2022 Dutchmen Astoria Platinum 3603 LFP is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Milford North, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center, Milford North. This used Dutchman is 40 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 8, TV, leveling jacks, microwave, oven, refrigerator, awning, air conditioning, external shower, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, loft, outdoor kitchen, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Dutchmen Astoria Platinum 3603 LFP is 11,338 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Delmarva RV Center, Milford North, visit RVUSA.com.